Are you looking for the best magnetic screen door? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the top 4 magnetic screen doors, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 4. HOFUDON Upgraded Magnetic Screen Door Mesh. Full strip magnets, heavy-duty fiberglass mesh. Door screen magnetic closure for single door size, 32 by 80 inch. Screen door size, 35 by 82 inch. Black. Brand, HOFUDON. Color, black. Material, fiberglass. Style, modern. Item weight, 2.8 pounds. Full strip magnets. Upgraded magnetic screen door designed with continuous full-length magnets, provides faster auto-closing and seamless fit for door screen with no gaps. Ideal for job sites, patios, and high-traffic entryways. Fiberglass mesh material. Heavy-duty fiberglass screen door mesh built for long-term daily use. Breathable design allows fresh air and natural light while helping block insects and debris from doorway. Hook-in-loop frame design. Top adhesive strip width 1.6 inches ensures stable installation. Removable magnetic door screens can be easily taken down and reinstalled anytime without damaging door frames.
Number 3. LIAMST Garage Door Screen for 2-car garage door. 16 by 7 feet reinforced fiberglass garage screen. Magnetic garage screen door. Brand, LIAMST. Color, black. Material, fiberglass. Style, American. Assembly required? No. Magnetic screen mesh door with full frame magic tape. Our 16.3 by 7.15 feet mesh screen can be used as a substitute for fixed screens, suitable for front, rear, internal, or external entry, terraces, porches, balconies, etc. Let fresh air in. The middle seam of the screen door is strategically lined with strong magnets that keep the best seal and closure, but open easily. It turns your garage into an extra living space in summer. People, dogs, and cats can go inside and out of the house with ease. LIAMST is frameless, detachable, and stores away easily for the off-season.
Number 2. LONGEAS Magnetic Screen Door. Upgraded PET mesh, stronger than fiberglass and polyester. Hands-free, keeps bugs out, pet and kid-friendly. Suitable for sliding door, large patio door, and French door. 72 by 80. Brand, LONGEAS. Color, black. Material, plastic. Style, French. Assembly required? No.
Number 1. AUGO Magnetic Screen Door Self-Sealing. Heavy-duty, hands-free mesh partition keeps bugs out. Pet and kid-friendly. Patent-pending keep-open feature, 38 inch by 83 inch. Brand, AUGO. Color, mesh. Material, polyester. Style, classic. Item weight, 450 grams. About this item. Important, measure your door frame before ordering to guarantee proper function. Magnetic screen door size, 38 inch by 83 inch. Fits door size, 36 inch by 82. Ensure a perfect fit by measuring your door excluding door frame prior to purchase. Works of sliding door, mosquito netting for patio, storm door, front door, and more. Easy to install. Screen door measures 38 inch by 83 inch. Fits door size 36 inch by 82. It is super simple, quick, and fast to install the screen door. Simply attach the screen to the door frame with the included hook and loop tape. Extra push pins are included for added security and strength. For best adhesive results, clean and dry surface properly. Breezy insect protection. Keep bugs, mosquitoes, and other pests out with a screen that seals behind you magnetically as you walk through it. The heavy-duty mesh allows fresh air to circulate while it is shut.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.